चलो।
Hello, good morning everybody. Myself Shoaib. Today I want to discuss very important topic of mathematics, which is of arithmetic progression, or in short you can say AP. So first of all I want to give the definition of arithmetic progression. Definition. What is the definitions of arithmetic progression? So first of all I want to discuss the definitions of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number except first term. So I can write here an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Is a list of numbers. List of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. Right? So this is the definitions of arithmetic progression, or you can say AP. The definition is like that: an arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number except first term. So next I want to discuss the general form of an AP. General form of an arithmetic progression, or in short you can say the general form of an AP. So the general form of an AP is like that. This is first term A, next term is your A plus D, then next is your A plus 2D, and next one is your A plus 3D, like that. So second term is A plus D, where A is your first term, and D. What is D here? D is your common difference, right? What is D here? D is your common difference. What is D? D is your common difference. So the general form of an AP is like that: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So every number is adding a fixed number which is of common difference in the previous term, besides or except first term, right? So next I want to discuss the type of an AP. The type of an AP is like that. What are the various type of an AP? There are two types of an AP, right? So firstly, types of an AP. Or you can say what are the different types of an AP or arithmetic progression. There are two types of arithmetic progression: finite AP or finite arithmetic progression. Second one is your infinite AP. Infinite AP, or you can say infinite arithmetic progression. What is the finite arithmetic progression? The finite arithmetic progression or finite AP is in which a series of number, a list of number in which the term is fixed, or you can say the term is finite, right? And in case of an infinite AP, in this particular infinite progression, arithmetic progression, the number of terms is infinite, or you can say unlimited list of numbers, right? So next I want to discuss the formula of nth term. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP, or you can say what will be the formula of arithmetic progression, right? So first of all I want to write the formula of an arithmetic progression, which is of Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 is into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 into d. What is a here? A is your first term, n is your number of terms, d. What is d here? D is your common difference, right? So sometimes in place of Tn you can write an, and sometimes in place of an you can write l, or which is of last term. So if we have an AP, so there are in this particular formula there are 4 terms which is of nth term. A is your first term, n number of terms, and d is your common difference. So if we have an AP, suppose that I want to discuss this particular formula with the help of an example. So if we have an example which is of just like is that, first of all I want to write like this: 5, 10, 15, 35, and last is your 1025. This is an AP. So you should calculate the value of n, or you can say you can calculate the value of number of terms in this particular finite AP. In this particular finite AP, this is the finite AP because of the number of terms is your fixed, right? So by the help of this particular formula, the formula is like that: Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 into d. So first of all you can write this type of formula: Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 into d, right? So in this particular example, first term a is your 5, right? What is d here? D is your common difference, and common difference can be calculated from t2 minus k t1, which is of t2 minus k t1 or t3 minus k t2. You can calculate the value of common difference or d from preceding term to the last term, or you can say this is your t1, this is your t2, this is your t3, like that. So you can calculate the value of d or common difference with the help of this type of formula. T2, what is t2 here? T2 is your 10 minus k5 is equal to 5. Difference will remain the same in case of an arithmetic progression. So what is Tn? Tn is here, Tn is your 1025, right? What is d here? D is your 5. What is a here? A is your 5. So next you should calculate the value of n, or you can say how many number of terms are involved in this particular series of an AP, right? So first of all, Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus k1 into d. What is Tn here? Tn is your 1025. A, what is a? A is your first term, which is of 5. Next, n minus k1, and what is d here? D is your also a value which is of 5, right? 1025. This is your 5 plus 5n minus k5. This is your 5n minus k5. Minus k5 plus 5 cancel out. 1025. This is your 5n. So 5 is multiplied with n, and opposite side n is equal to 1025 divided by 5. After dividing with 5, then you can get 5 to the 10, right? 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25, and if we are taking 2 digits, obviously you should write 0 before 5. So in this particular series, or in this particular arithmetic progressions, the number of terms is your 205 or 200.